statement is Portugal is hard. In Portugal now, I think we are very, very hospitality. We create new destinations. Okay? We take people that came to Lisbon, people that came to Porto, and put it in the other cities. We have landscape, we have gastronomy, we have wine tourism. It's very, very famous and it's very important for us in Portugal, the wine tourism. But also, we try to create new experience, friendly experience all along the country, all along Portugal. I think we are very, very friendly. I think we are here to say that we are waiting for you for a warm and a rich experience. That's the goal.